Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the stick is seated on the wireless dock and the indicator shows charging. This ensures full run time. Once charged, detangle hair and clip into workable sections so you can work methodically. Make sure to select a temperature based on hair density, lower for fine, higher for coarse, because heat control prevents damage. Now power the device on, wait for the LED to indicate ready, and position the first 1-inch section at the clamp to begin curling. You place the section into the chamber or clamp with the ends aligned, keeping the stick perpendicular or tilted 0 degrees to 45 degrees depending on the curl shape you want. Once the hair is secured, activate the auto rotation. Hold for 5 to 8 seconds so heat penetrates evenly, shorter for fine hair, longer for coarse. After the cycle, gently release the curl and cup it in your palm for a few seconds to cool. This step locks the shape and improves longevity, so don't skip it. You finish by repeating around the head, alternating rotation directions every other section so curls look natural. Once all sections are done, let hair cool completely before light styling. Then apply a low-hold spray to maintain shape without stiffness, and finger comb or separate curls only after they are cool. If the device stalls or loses heat during use, immediately place the stick back on the wireless dock, wait about 2 minutes to reset thermal protection, then retry. This protects the motor and keeps performance consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.